welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a grocery haul and a meal plan. I placed a Walmart order last night. I think I spent like $175. It was a lot, but we've had a lot going on here, like family stuff and things like that. So I tried to make it extremely easy. Like I bought taco seasonings. I always make my own taco seasoning. And Kevin made dinner the other night and he called me because I wasn't home and he's like, where's taco seasoning? I'm like, oh, you mix this, this, and that. So I just like tried to simplify everything. We've got a little bit of like chicken and things like that in the garage, freezer in the garage, but I didn't feel like going through everything. So I bought the meat for everything. I bought, you know, fresh produce. I brought snacks for the kids, you know, just kind of everything. We were out of a lot. Hi, Macy. Oh, she's a good girl. So we're gonna go pick that up. I'm doing super simple dinners. Like I said, I haven't been home a lot at night. I've been at my parents' a lot, and making sure we spend some time with them and hanging out with them. My dad has been sick, so it's just been a lot. So I'm just trying to simplify everything. I was gonna say maybe I will share the dinners with you, but they're so simple. It's like tacos. I got a thing of like good meatballs and pasta sauce. I got like garlic bread to go with it. They're all like very, like nothing that you really need to see a recipe for, like just super simple. I'll explain it all to you in this video and share with you like the super simple meals that I'm gonna be making for the week. So, the only other thing I wanted to share with you guys, I shared it when I did like my fall like favorites and stuff, but it's this little outfit. It's like a batwing sweater and it has like the matching like jogger pants and it's so cute. I think I got it on sale. It was like half off. So put it, I have it linked in my Amazon favorites on Instagram. So, but it is so comfortable and so cute. Like I'm gonna get it in a bunch of other colors because I'm obsessed. It's got pockets. And my other favorite thing for like around the house is it has this kind of sleeve. Let me see if we can see it better in the mirror. Yeah, it's like tapered. So you can so easily like pull up your sleeve and it stays, because that's like, I'm constantly washing my hands, cooking, doing all that kind of stuff. So my hair is still super wet and it's disgusting out. But yes, that is my PSA for this outfit. I have it linked, like I said, in my Amazon favorites in like my highlight bubble on Instagram. But you need one of these outfits. Like I don't say that about many things. I'm like, oh, I like this is cute, but like I feel like everyone needs this, and I love that you can. I wore this one day last week and I wore just the sweater with like a pair of jeans and it was so cute. And then you can just obviously wear the leggings, or like it's like a jegging, cute pants with anything else, like a t-shirt, graphic tee, anything like that. So I'll try to remember to link it in here too, but it's definitely linked over in on my Instagram. So we're gonna head to Walmart. I'm just making some coffee. Turn on some lights around here because it is so gloomy out. Like just so windy and yucky and rainy. We gotta take all this furniture in. I always think we're gonna spend more time than we're able to outside there, but we're gonna finish up our coffee. That was daring of me. That cover wasn't even on all the way. Perfect. I forgot how much stuff I actually ordered because I ordered it so late last night, right before I went to bed. So I kind of have it grouped in somewhat of an order, but I got some egg whites, some regular eggs. We were out of whipped cream, so I got that. The kids like to put those on their pancakes or when I make waffles. Some orange juice, yogurt for Layton's yogurt bowls. I either buy the Greek yogurt, which I try to find, but they didn't have like a tub of the kind that she likes, or this Stonyfield. She likes this one as well. My favorite coffee, a bunch of produce. We got strawberries, green grapes, red grapes, some lettuce, 2 bags of this frozen broccoli. This is like one of my favorite broccolis. They're so good. So we just have to do it. Okay. Some iceberg lettuce for tacos, some mini cucumbers, a yellow onion, avocado, some sweet potatoes, some russet. These potatoes are massive. They're huge. So for baked potatoes this week, some bananas, some garlic toast to go with our pasta. I got this pasta sauce to try. I heard it was really, really good, the Victoria marinara sauce. So I got one of those to try. Hold on. Sorry, just was checking on my family. I was out of avocado spray. I usually get it at BJ's, but this one looked like a good brand. It's the Chosen Foods 100% pure avocado spray. This is what I use to like spray when I bake or just on certain things like in the air fryer or whatever else. I typically make my own, but we are choosing easy this week or choosing convenience over homemade, but that is okay. Sometimes different phases of life require convenience, and we are in one of those right now. So I just grabbed these as like a snack for the kids to take in between. Layton does dance and Austin does football, so they do that like 4 times a week. So not necessarily as a breakfast because it's just not filling enough for them. So, or if they have to have it, they have to have like yogurt with it or some fruit or something else. But I got 2 of these little bites chocolate chip muffins. We got some of the Kodiak cake pancake and waffle mix. Again, I typically make my own, but this is good and it has the extra protein in it. I got some Raisin Bran for quick breakfast. I got some Rice Krispies. These are like the 2 good cereals that the kids like and will eat that aren't like awful for you. So I got some Cheez-Its. The kids wanted some of these fudge stripe cookies. Kevin likes these and so does Layton. So I thought those were a good thing that they can have as a snack. I haven't bought fruit snacks in a long time, but I bought them today. Some mini chocolate chip cookies to go in their lunches, some spicy Doritos to go with our tacos, and some pretzels to have for a snack during the week. And then over here, I'm gonna make some Uncrustables, hopefully at some point, so it just makes lunches easier for whoever is packing them. So I got a loaf of bread to do that with, some tortillas for taco night, some English muffins for breakfast. I like to make my own dressing, and this is, I thought they made a light one of this, and that's what I thought I bought, but that is not, but whatever. I'm sure it tastes delicious. I just like the light one. It tastes really good. I got some honey barbecue sauce for barbecue chicken this week. I got some white rice just to have on hand. This is good. I made salsa chicken bowls last night, and this is what I use for that. That works out really well. I got some hamburgers, I got some ground beef, got some chicken breasts, I got some of these like little diced chicken. Those are really good, I like these a lot. Some chicken nuggets for the kids. This is the kind that they like, and I like it too because it's no junk in them, no added stuff, but it does have like vegetables. They eat vegetables enough, but still I figured adding vegetables is never a bad thing. Some Angus beef meatballs, and 1 package of taco seasoning. Here in the kitchen, we have our board where we put like important stuff like invitations, all that kind of stuff, lunch menus, and all of that. And here is our dinner menu for this week. We are having tacos, burgers, pasta and meatballs, chicken and veggies, and then the barbecue chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. So all super, super, super easy meals for this week. Sometimes we really need to make sure, like I said, we aren't overdoing it and we're choosing convenience. Sometimes that is needed, and I like to save money and I like to make a lot of things from scratch and from home myself, but this isn't that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul and super simple, easy, and relatively inexpensive like meal plans for the week. I spent, like I said, $170, but if we were to go out to eat, all 5 of us, it's $100 right there for just one meal. So this will feed us all week, and I don't need all those things like every single week, like the pancake mix, the avocado spray, the tomato sauce. Like I usually make a lot of, well, I don't make avocado spray, but like some of those things I make from scratch. The salad dressing, the barbecue sauce, like the rice, I don't buy those things every single week. So I think we're stocked up for at least the next week, week and a half. So that is it. If you guys have not yet subscribed, make sure you do. And if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, I will leave my handle right here. I think I left it earlier when I was talking about the this comfy little outfit, but I will link it here again for you. So make sure you follow me over there for more like day-to-day stuff. I find like I've been Christmas shopping for the kids and using all like the Amazon deal days, the Target deal days, all that stuff, and I've been linking a lot of stuff that I've been finding too. So make sure you're following me over there, and so you are subscribed here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.